Inulak time at Matthias has been... Balik pa rin Mathias. Another...
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Ang mga Pinoy boxers ay madalas minamaliit pag dumayo ito sa ibang bansa. Ngunit mas malaking pang-iinsulto ito pag ginawa ito dito sa ating baluarte. Sinigawan at sinayawan, ganoon na lang bastusin ang ating kababayan at binantaan pang patulugin sa laban. Ganito ang naranasan ng ating Pinoy fighter na si Jundi Maraon Tubong Zamboanga mula sa dayong kalaban. Ngunit bumawi dito ang ating kababayan gamit ang kanyang kamao kung saan pinasayaw gamit ang mga umulan na suntok. Si Jundi Maraon, ang ating bida, ay nagmula sa angkan ng matatapang sa Molave, Zamboanga del Sur. Isang hard puncher at alaga ni Nonito Donaire Sr., tinagurian siyang pretty boy hindi lang dahil sa kanyang hitsura, kundi dahil din sa matulis at mabibilis niyang suntok. Sa laban na ito, bitbit ni Maraon ang 13 panalo, 8 talo, at 10 knockout at isang WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion. Sa pagkakataong ito, kailangang depensahan ni Maraon ang kanyang titulo kontra sa isang matibay, mabilis, at mayabang na mandirigma. Ito ay ang Tanzanian champion na si Anthony Mathias, na kilala rin bilang piston mover. May 23 panalo, 1 talo, at 11 knockout, kung saan nagbanta pa itong pababagsakin ng ating Pinoy sa harap ng fans sa Ozamis City, Pilipinas. Upang maliwanagan tayo kung gaano kalakas itong si Maraon, panoorin natin kung paano niya pinabagsak ng 4 na beses itong hambog na kalaban. Pagbukas pa lang ng unang round, agresibong umatake agad si Mathias, tila gustong patunayan ang kanyang kayabangan. Pero kalmado lang si Maraon, maingat niyang pinag-aaralan ang galaw at kahinaan ng kalaban.
Ay kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, mas grabe pong nangyari ron.
Matapos ang matinding palitan ng suntok, unang bumagsak si Mathias. Ngunit tumayo pa ito na parang hindi nasaktan.
Dennis! Isang straight ang binigay ni Jundi Maraon. And that was the same punch that Lord Jason again. Panood, kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, mas grabe pa yung nangyari ron. Medyo natulas doon si Jundi Maraon. Now he's going for the kill. He knows that his opponent is in trouble, but he should take it easy. He will never be confident against these Africans. Bumabalik yung African, ha? Yes. Bumabalik si Matthias. Right into 2. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity, another left by Jundi Maraon. That left is really take it easy. Showing maturity, another left by Jundi Maraon. That left is really powerful. Talagang malakas na rin. And Matthias' days, body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Matthias is in deep trouble.
Jundi Maraon going to the midsection. He gets stuck there by right.
Pero maganda yung ginagawa niya. Nag-iingat din siya, no? Hindi niya pino-force yung action. Matthias missing the left, Morocco right. Jab by Maraon. Over. We are under 1 minute of this round encounter. Right there by Matthias. Be a short night. Pretty boy. Pretty much. Right by Matthias. And nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Be a short night. Jundi Maraon defending his regional title. Counter left to the body by Maraon. Pretty boy, pretty much in charge of this fight. Right by Matthias. Left jab. And nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Matthias using a left jab to ward off and the rail, and he attempted around to connect the left knee again, connects with the strong left combination. midsection, body shot. Everything being thrown now by...
Dito sa round 2, isang matinding kaliwa mula kay Maraon ang muling nagpabagsak sa hambog na si Matayas. Gayunpaman, ipinakita rin nito ang kanyang tapang at muling tumayo.
Oh, courtesy of that straight. Oh, good right there by Matayas.
No, parang malapad at matangkad si Maraon for a bantamweight.
Malapad actually. But you know,
Ay Maraon and I could just kung bababa pa ito sa terrifying left. Body shot by Jundi Maraon. Showing maturity, he knows at pagkaman pa rin, bumabalik pa rin si Matayas.
left in the head.
Mula sa solidong kaliwa at bumagsak ulit si Matayas. Ngunit malalo pa itong nag-angas at sinayawan si Maraon.
I'm in this fight. Grabe yung left ni Maraon. Oo, maski isang katamaan dyan. One more.
With the end of it, here again.
Good left again by Jundi Maraon. Staggers African, the Tanzanian once again. But
Bumabalik pa rin, no? Kumakounter pa rin si Matayas. There's another left.
Dennis, actually sa noo, mama, baksak rin yung...
Ano mo? This was how Yanni pa.
Pagsapit ng round 3, gusto nang bumawi ni Matayas at inatake ang ating Pinoy. Ngunit napapaatras ito pag tinamaan ni Kabayan.
Now, Maraon showing us that he's got power also sa kanan. He's now using his right hand, especially those body shots.
Good left there by Matayas.
That was a good left jab. And we're under 1 minute in the second counter doon sa kaliwa ni yung kanyang footwork. Decent
Left there by Jundi Maraon. Oh,
decent
left there by...
And I think it's all over. Could be. This could be the end of the fight. Going for the kill. Body shot. Countless blows. On. Behind. Combination by Maraon. Maraon sensing that this is the right moment for him. His best chance to score another stoppage. This is the same round that he stopped Jason Nogueira for this same title.
You know, I saw Matayas smiling there, huh? As if saying, I can survive this.
There's that left again.
Mula sa solidong kaliwa at bumagsak ulit si Matayas. Ngunit malalo pa itong nag-angas at sinayawan si Maraon.
There's another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matias. And we're under 1 minute in the second counter doon sa kaliwa ni yung and that's the third time that Matias has been floored.
Pero sa round 4, hindi na pinalampas ni Maraon ang pambabastos ng kalaban. Sinimulan na niyang bombahin ito ng matitinding suntok. Kahit matibay si Matayas at tila hindi natatakot masaktan, unti-unti nang bumagal ang kanyang galaw.
A good left, right straight there by Anthony Matias. I am surprised and amazed at the resilience.
Sturdy, no? Fighter.
Oh yes. You have to give it to him.
Oo.
Lumapang na, pagtayo, sasayaw-sayaw pa.
Decent. Dito Zayden.
Again. Ang tibay, Tibay gloves made in Cebu. This is the first time out, second time out that we're using this in the big boxing event. And we're doing this to support
Going for the kill, Jundi Maraon, body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Jundi Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Matayas hanging on. Denied. Combination by Maraon. Matayas in black, Maraon in red. The undefeated fighter from Braveheart.
Sa round 5, halatang hirap na ang Tanzanian sa depensa. Kahit pa marami na ang naipatama ng Pinoy, ngunit mapahanga ka rin sa tibay nito.
earlier this year. With a sensational third round stop. Doesn't grab again. The Jundi Maraon, his favorite shot, that left straight. And he has floored Matthias.
Hanggang sa round 6, dito na tinapos na ni Maraon ang paghihirap ni Matthias. Huling sandali.
Maraon.
Again, let me express my admiration to the resilience of the Tanzanian fighter, Anthony Matias. 3 knockdowns in 6 rounds, and he's still up there, exchanging punches with Jundi Maraon.
And he's been countless left.
Yes.
Lefts from Jundi Maraon. Katulad doon, isa na naman, pinatama ni Jundi Maraon. Very active with his left jab. Maraon still the patience of Maraon being tested here. Yes. Lefts from Jundi Maraon. Katulad doon, isa na naman, pinatama ni Jundi Maraon. In control this fight. Combination by Jundi. There's that another left straight. Alam mo, mas malakas yung dating ng suntok ni Jundi Maraon.
A good left again. Staggers the Tanzanian.
And Jundi Maraon showing composure. Despite those 3 knockdowns he scored each in the first, second, and third rounds.
Isang malakas at eksaktong kaliwa mula kay Maraon ang tuluyang nagpabagsak kay Matthias.
Rest of the rest.
Another knockdown.
This time,
I think he's hurt. There's no more dancing here. No more dancing. No more dancing for other.
there again, at left of Jundi Maraon, specialty of the house. More lefts,
It's
and
all
that's
over.
it.
It's all over.
Dito na nagapasya ang referee na itigil na ang laban. Dahil dito, matagumpay na nadepensahan ni Jundi Maraon ang WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title. Tungkol naman sa masabi ninyo sa performance ni Maraon, pag-usapan na lang natin ito sa baba.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.